Okay, so here we are in the evening and Mr. Chippie is about to do the on-the-air test. So we'll just pop this onto channel 31 UK. So RF gains full, mic gains full, squelch to threshold, volume to something sensible. We're on the internal speaker and we're on the new microphone if you saw the previous video. And then we'll test the...
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie.
Oh, there he is. Tango 21 loud and clear.
Roger that, just coming up towards the end of the lane.
Mind you, you were off the mark. I only just heard the back door.
Well, there you go. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger that. Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. So we better just check the squelch for his scratchy corner.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round scratchy corner at Wilsford.
Roger that.
This radio is about 3.6 watts here.
Sounds fine.
Roger. Tango 21, how are you doing? Not heard from you.
Yeah, come past Kelby.
Roger, did you forget over?
Yeah, I just completely slipped in.
Okay, so we're missing out Wilsford. You're at the Kelby turn.
Yeah, we're now past the Kelby turn, but proving the pudding to Greylands anyway.
Oh yeah, Roger.
Alright, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Yeah, Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. That's fine, over.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. That concludes the test, thank you.
No problem, 10-10.
Okay, 10-10. Okay, so we'll go over to our base station and we'll start with this microphone, the brand new one, and then I'll swap it for the customer's original microphone, see if there's any difference. So we'll do that right now.
Tango 21 testing the Midland 48 plus multi with the brand new replacement correct microphone. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Now we'll go over to the customer's original microphone. Tango 21 testing the Midland 48 plus multi with the customer's original microphone into our Harrier CBHQ base station. This is the microphone. I clean the switch on. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, and thank you for watching.